Hi lovelies, welcome you guys to my tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be teaching you guys on how to make this Ankara reversible beret. So now the materials we are going to be needing for this reversible beret is Ankara. This is Ankara fabric. You can use any fabric that you want, and this is crepe materials. This is what I'm going to be using to reverse it, and this is a very soft stay. You fold the Ankara into four like flare, like you want to cut out a flare. So now after folding, you take your tape rule. So now you measure 6 from the edge, measure 6 round. So you cut it out. So after cutting, this is what we got. So now you are going to cut into two. You are going to cut out 2 pieces of it. So one out of the 2 pieces you are cutting out, you are going to measure 3 inches and just cut it out in a circle form, like the way we cut the first one. After cutting it, you are going to cut the exact thing that you cut out from your Ankara fabric from the crepe. So like I said earlier, this is the soft stay that I'm using on my Ankara. It's my Ankara that I'm going to be using for the outer part. So now you are going to take it and just iron it on your stay. You are not going to iron the crepe on it. It's only the Ankara that you are going to iron on it. So now this is it after ironing my stay on my Ankara. You are not going to iron stay on this. So now the one that we did not remove 3 inches out of the Ankara, we are going to fold it into 4. So you are just going to take your scissors and just cut the mid part, just a little. So after cutting it out, you are going to take your fabric and cut out 2 inches by 1 inch wide, 2 inches by length and 1 inch wide. So you take it to your sewing machine and sew. Now after sewing, you just fold it into 2 back, you turn it out and just fold it into 2 back and put it at the center of that place that you have launched. So you take your needle and thread, use it to tack it together with your beret. That's the rope at the center of our beret. So now after tacking it, you take this one and place it on each other, take it to your sewing machine and sew round. You also take your crepe, take it to your sewing machine and sew the exact way that you are doing the Ankara fabric. So after sewing, you launch it. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to turn it out. So this is our beret. Our beret is already coming out lovely. So you keep it outside, you sew the crepe. So after sewing, you turn out the Ankara fabric, you turn it in, sorry. So you are going to place your crepe. You are going to take the 2 face to face each other. So you are going to take the outer part, the inner part to face each other also. So you take it to your sewing machine and sew round. So you won't sew everything all through. You are going to be leaving like 2 inches to reverse it outside, to bring all the materials outside. So now after reversing it, this is what we have. So you just take it, you also take it to your sewing machine and sew the edge round. So thank you guys for watching my tutorial. Please comment, like, share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.